Want to turn your Figma designs into a live website without touching a single line of code? With YouWare, it takes just seconds. Let's get started. First, head over to YouWare's homepage. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's super quick. Next, add your Figma design using YouWare's MCP system. Just connect your Figma file. No downloads, no hassle. Now, grab the section URL from your Figma design and drop it into YouWare's Create tab. This tells YouWare exactly what to convert. Finally, hit the Action button and watch the magic happen. In seconds, your Figma design transforms into a fully live website. That's it! You just turned Figma into a real site. No coding, no stress. Try YouWare now and drop a comment if you have questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-code tips. Need to adjust the website look? No problem. Just copy the new section's link, go back to YouWare, select where you want it, and paste it with prompt like replace the button here. Hit confirm, your site updates instantly. No re-exporting, no hassle. That's the power of YouWare, code-free, stress-free, and editable anytime.